Hi friends, today we'll see about some of the image-based questions on diseases and science, which is related to the medical surgical nursing. So these are the questions which is very important for the exam point of view, and these are the last minute remaining points for various exams of nursing officer recruitment. So let us start. Before starting this session, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is the Future Professional Nurses. Please, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and see the whole video so you can understand the questions, and it will be helpful to you. So let us start today's. Myself, Indla Srinivasarao, Assistant Professor, Department of Medical Surgical Nursing, Ganga Sikh School of Nursing, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. So let us start today's first question. Identify this condition. So options: systemic lupus erythematosus, eczema, psoriasis, and none of the above. So answer is systemic lupus erythematosus. So in this diagram you can identify by, so these rashes, if you observe, it is a butterfly shape. So this butterfly rashes can be seen in only systemic lupus erythematosus conditions. Okay, so next question: identify this sign. So first option: Grace Turner sign, Cullen sign, Homan sign, battle sign. So answer is battle sign. So this battle sign is seen in a skull fracture. So skull linear fractures, there is a hematoma beneath the knee. So this is the second question. So we'll see next question. Identify the condition in this X-ray film. Okay, so if you observe this one, you can identify. So let us see options: pleural effusion, pneumonia, cardiomegaly, foreign body in lung. Okay, so in this circle, if you see that, you can understand the answer is cardiomegaly. So here if you see the heart size, so normally it is this much size, but in this it is increased. So this condition is called as a cardiomegaly, enlargement of the heart. You can see in this X-ray film. So let us next question: identify this condition. Options: lung tumor, hepatomegaly, cirrhosis of liver, and liver abscess. So answer is cirrhosis of liver. So cirrhosis of liver you can identify by the nodule formation. If you see these things, so here the nodules are formed throughout the lungs. So that's the reason the right answer is a cirrhosis of liver. So lung cancer is not at all related to this because it is a liver. And hepatomegaly is a enlargement of the liver, not a nodule formation. And liver abscess, here abscess means there is a formation of the pus and debris in a particular lobes or any particular area. But here the throughout liver is got the nodules, so it is a cirrhosis of liver. So next condition: identify this condition. Pectus excavatum, pleural effusion, barrel chest, and pectus craniatum. So answer is barrel chest, because here the chest is look like a barrel. So that's the reason the answer is a barrel chest. Identify this condition. So here Down syndrome, Edwards syndrome, trisomy 13 syndrome, Jacobson syndrome. Answer is Down syndrome. So here Down syndrome, you can see the eyes, the face look like a monkey, and their ears are very down, very small, face look like something moon shaped. So here this is a Down syndrome. Identify this condition. Femoral hernia, inguinal hernia, hiatus hernia, umbilical hernia. Answer is inguinal hernia, because so it is in a inguinal area, so that is called inguinal hernia. Next, identify this sign. Gray Turner syndrome sign, Colen's sign, Levin sign, Homan sign. The right answer is a Colen sign. Especially you can see this condition in a pancreatitis. There is a hematomas, redness, rashes on surround the umbilicus is called as the Colen sign. Identify this condition. Thyroid tumor, goiter, enlarged tonsils, mumps. Answer is goiter. Goiter is the condition where it occurs due to the deficiency of the iodine. Identify this condition. Options: xerophthalmia, ptosis, ectomalus, Osler signs. Right answer is a ectomalus. Identify this condition. Deep vein thrombosis, Raynaud syndrome, Levin signs, Homan signs. Right answer is deep vein thrombosis. So deep vein thrombosis means there is a coiling of the veins, varicose of the veins in the lower legs. Especially you can see in a deep veins of the lower leg. Identify this condition in this X-ray film. So here options: Raynaud stones, appendicitis, intestinal obstruction, PID. That is a pelvic inflammatory disease. So the right answer is intestinal obstruction. So here if you observe this film, this is a large intestine. So here the large intestine is become a twisted. So that's the reason it is a intestinal obstruction. Identify this sign. Red beefy tongue, strawberry tongue, oral candidiasis, Koplik spots. So this is a strawberry tongue. If you see this in this area, so they look like a strawberry signs. So it is very red in color and look like a strawberry color. So it's called as a strawberry tongue. Identify this condition. Kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, and intervertebral disc prolapse. The right answer is scoliosis. Scoliosis is a lateral curvature of the vertebrae. Identify this condition. Xerophthalmia, ptosis, exophthalmia, and Osler sign. The right answer is ptosis. In ptosis means that there is a prolapse of the eyelid. Identify this condition in X-ray film. Pleural effusion, pneumonia, cardiomegaly, and foreign bodies. So in this picture you can see here this full of the white area. So this is a collection. This is called as the fluid collection. So here the whatever the blackish part is there, that is the lung, but in a right lung there is a full of the white, so that is a collection of the fluid, so it is a pleural effusion. Identify this condition. Kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, intervertebral disc prolapse. So this is condition called as a kyphosis. Kyphosis is a backward bending of the vertebrae. Identify this sign. Red beefy tongue, strawberry tongue, oral candidiasis, Koplik spots. So here some of the small spots are there. If you observe in this, here you can see these are the spots are there. So the answer is Koplik spots. Identify this sign. Osler sign, petechiae, Janway lesions, none of the above. The right answer is Janway's lesions. So this Janway's lesions, especially we see in infective endocarditis. So osseous signs also can be seen. Petechiae also seen. Janway lesions are there. So osseous signs where there is a lesions or hematoma in a eyeball. So that is called a osseous sign. Petechiae there is a inflammatory rashes, white tiny rashes on the skin, that is a petechiae. And Janway's lesions, here you can observe there is a blackish, these are a painless lesions. Identify this condition. Systemic lupus erythematosus, eczema, psoriasis, and tuberculin test reaction. Right answer is tuberculin test reaction. So this completes today's video. Please subscribe my channel. The channel name is The Future Professional Nurse. So please support me to update nursing related topics. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.